Last July, I was cooking for a summer dinner party. With the oven roasting and all stovetop burners blazing, my kitchen transformed into an unbearable sauna. Sweating over the sauce, I was absolutely miserable. I desperately needed a kitchen air conditioner, but finding one that didn't block my window, sound like a jet engine, or steel precious floor space felt completely impossible. I wasted money on several units that barely made a dent in the heat. But after months of rigorous testing, I finally found the perfect solutions to keep your kitchen frosty. Today, I am ranking the top 7 options available right now. And the number 1 spot is a total game changer you definitely want to see. 7. DREO Portable 8000 BTU Air Conditioners. When I first brought this unit into my test kitchen, I was genuinely impressed by its sleek, modern design that doesn't immediately scream bulky appliance. It features a straightforward, user-friendly interface and comes with a remote control that makes operating it from across the room quite simple. The initial unboxing and setup were incredibly fast, which is a huge plus if you're dealing with an unexpected heat wave and need immediate relief while cooking. In terms of actual cooling performance, this 8000 BTU model does a very decent job in smaller, enclosed spaces. I found the drainage-free technology to be a standout feature during my testing. It automatically evaporates the moisture it pulls from the air, meaning you do not have to constantly empty a messy water tray while you're busy preparing meals. It also offers multiple operating modes, including a dehumidifier function, which dramatically helps tackle the muggy atmosphere that builds up when boiling large pots of pasta or simmering soups. However, as I spent more time using the DREO in a practical, busy kitchen environment, several frustrating drawbacks became apparent. The biggest issue is the overall footprint. Kitchen floor space is incredibly valuable, and having to dedicate a chunk of it to a portable air conditioner and its bulky exhaust hose really disrupted my workflow. I found myself constantly stepping around the unit or bumping into the wide exhaust pipe when moving back and forth between the refrigerator and the stove. Furthermore, the noise level was significantly higher than I anticipated. While the manufacturer claims it runs quietly, the compressor kicking on while I was trying to listen for a sizzling pan or talk to my family over the kitchen island was quite distracting. 6. Albott Mini Split Air Conditioner. I really wanted to see if a budget-friendly mini-split system could solve the frustrating floor space issue I experienced with portable units, and on paper, the Albott seemed like a fantastic contender. Once mounted high on the wall, it completely frees up your lower working areas, allowing you to move around your counters and appliances without any physical obstructions. It also boasts an energy-efficient design intended to keep those summer utility bills from skyrocketing. During my testing, the self-cleaning function really stood out as a massive benefit specifically for a kitchen environment. Kitchens naturally produce a lot of airborne grease, smoke, and strong odors that can clog up standard air conditioning filters incredibly quickly. The Albott's ability to run a self-cleaning cycle to blast away dust and moisture from the internal evaporator meant the air coming out felt consistently fresh, and I didn't have to pull out a stepladder every 2 weeks to scrub the filters manually. Despite these highly promising features, the installation process was an absolute nightmare that heavily impacted my overall experience. Unlike traditional window units or portables, installing this mini split required drilling massive holes through my kitchen wall to route the thick refrigerant lines, which is simply not viable for renters or those without advanced DIY skills. Even though it is heavily marketed towards easier installation, I ended up having to hire a professional contractor, which drastically increased the total cost and hassle of putting this system in my kitchen. On top of the installation woes, the remote control and internal temperature sensor proved to be incredibly finicky during daily use. When I was standing directly in front of the stove, the unit constantly struggled to register the localized heat spike. 5. LG Smart Window Air Conditioner. I was initially quite hesitant to go back to a traditional window unit, fearing it would be a bulky eyesore, but LG's sleek, modern design blends surprisingly well into contemporary window frames. At 10,000 BTUs, it packs a serious cooling punch. The moment I turned it on during a heavy, multi-hour baking session, I could physically feel the cold air cutting through the thick kitchen heat almost instantly. The dual inverter technology is where this specific unit truly shines in my testing. Traditional air conditioners turn on and off abruptly, which is both annoying and highly inefficient. But the LG inverter compressor continuously adjusts its speed to maintain the perfect ambient temperature. This results in an incredibly smooth, consistent blanket of cold air without massive energy spikes. More importantly for a busy cook, it is exceptionally quiet. I could easily hear the timer on my oven and hold a normal conversation without shouting over a loud, humming compressor. The smart features are exactly what elevate this from a good air conditioner to a truly great kitchen tool. When your hands are covered in flour, oil, or raw meat, the very last thing you want to do is touch a clean remote or an air conditioner control panel. Because the LG connects flawlessly to Wi-Fi, I was able to use simple voice commands via my smart speaker to lower the temperature or change the fan speed without ever breaking my cooking rhythm. The installation was fairly standard for a window unit, though the included insulation panels are of a much higher quality than what you typically find in the box. They created a wonderfully tight seal that effectively kept out not just the sweltering summer air, but also the annoying outdoor insects that are usually attracted to sweet or savory kitchen smells. 4. Midea 8000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner. If you are someone who actively hates sacrificing their kitchen window usability, this product is an absolute revelation. The unique U-shaped design allows your actual window sash to slide down right through the middle of the unit. This means you can actually open your window on a cool evening to let fresh air in or allow thick cooking smoke to rapidly escape, which is a brilliant feature I utilize constantly during my tests. Because the glass window physically sits between the noisy compressor on the outside and the fan on the inside, the sound reduction is frankly astonishing. I rigorously tested this during a particularly noisy outdoor storm, and the Midea was barely a whisper inside the kitchen. I could easily hear my cooking podcasts and recipe videos while doing detailed prep work at the counter. It is easily one of the quietest window units I have ever had the pleasure of operating, completely changing the acoustic ambience of my kitchen. The security and installation bracket system also gave me incredible peace of mind during the setup process. Standard window air conditioners always feel slightly precarious, as if they might fall backward out of the window frame at any given moment. The Midea comes with a heavy-duty anti-theft support bracket that locks the unit firmly into place from the outside. Once correctly installed, it felt as solid as the wall itself, which is exactly what you want when dealing with heavy appliances near your expensive countertops. Cooling-wise, the 8000 BTUs of inverter power handle my mid-sized kitchen environment with absolute ease. The internal air distribution is engineered to blow upwards and outwards, creating a wonderful cascade of cool air that gently lowers the room's overall temperature without aggressively blasting cold wind directly into your face or onto your hot food. 3. GE Profile ClearView Inverter Window Air Conditioner. When I first installed this beautifully designed unit, I was completely blown away by how much natural sunlight flooded back into my kitchen workspace. By dropping the bulk of the mechanical unit down below the windowsill, the GE Profile essentially gives you your full unobstructed window view back. For a room where natural light is absolutely crucial for preparing food and making the space feel inviting, this below-the-sill design is nothing short of brilliant. Just like the previous Midea model, the GE Profile utilizes highly advanced inverter technology, making it incredibly energy efficient and remarkably quiet to run. During my extensive testing, I noticed that the overall cooling was incredibly rapid and highly responsive. I purposefully let my kitchen heat up to 85 degrees while roasting trays of root vegetables. And within mere minutes of turning the GE unit on, the temperature rapidly plummeted to a very comfortable 70 degrees. The airflow feels robust, yet perfectly balanced across the entire room. The seamless integration with the Smart HQ app provides an exceptionally premium user experience that I thoroughly enjoyed. I was able to easily monitor my kitchen's exact temperature from the grocery store aisle and turn the unit on before I even arrived home. By the time I walked in with my heavy bags of groceries, the kitchen was already a perfectly chilled oasis, completely ready for me to start unpacking and cooking immediately. The Smart app also carefully tracks daily energy usage, which actively helped me keep my summer utility bills firmly in check. Aesthetically speaking, it is hands down the absolute best-looking window unit on this entire list. The interior profile is incredibly slim, wonderfully unobtrusive, and features a clean, modern digital display that elegantly fades away when not actively in use. 2. Whynter 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Now, I know I was quite critical of portable units earlier in this list, but the Whynter Arc 14S is an entirely different beast altogether. I brought this massive unit into my kitchen on a blistering day when I was catering a large event from home, running multiple hot ovens and all my stovetop burners for hours. This 14,000 BTU behemoth chewed through that intense, suffocating heat with an aggression and efficiency that left me completely amazed. The undeniable secret to its incredible success is the innovative dual-hose system. Unlike standard single-hose models that dangerously create negative pressure and pull hot air back into the room from outside cracks, the Whynter cleverly uses one hose to draw in outside air to cool the compressor, and a second hose to rapidly exhaust the hot air. This resulted in dramatically faster cooling times during my rigorous testing. It didn't just cool the spot I was standing in. It effectively lowered the temperature of the entire kitchen, dining area, and even the adjoining hallway. One of the absolute best features specifically for a busy kitchen environment is its highly advanced internal filtration system. It comes equipped right out of the box with a specialized activated carbon filter. As I aggressively seared steaks and fried fish, the Whynter didn't just casually cool the air, it actively scrubbed the strong, lingering odors and smoke from the room. Having a powerful air conditioner that effortlessly doubles as a heavy-duty air purifier in the kitchen is an incredibly valuable asset that I didn't truly know I needed until I tested it firsthand. While it absolutely does take up a noticeable amount of floor space, the raw, unbridled cooling power and brilliant odor-eliminating capabilities completely justify its larger footprint. 1. Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. After exhaustively testing every possible cooling configuration, this is the ultimate, undisputed champion for perfectly cooling a kitchen. I had this 9,000 BTU system professionally installed high up on my kitchen wall, and it instantly transformed the entire feeling of the space. Because the inherently noisy compressor is located entirely outside your home, the indoor unit operates at a whisper-quiet level that is virtually undetectable, even when heavily running at maximum cooling capacity. What completely sets the Senville apart from everything else is how entirely unobtrusive it is while consistently delivering massive, reliable cooling power. It takes up exactly zero valuable floor space and impressively leaves your windows completely untouched and fully functional. I absolutely loved being able to utilize my entire counter area and deeply enjoy my full, sunny window view without any bulky, ugly appliances constantly getting in the way. The air distribution is nothing short of phenomenal, featuring motorized louvers that intelligently sweep cool air evenly across every single inch of the kitchen. During my testing phase, the dedicated turbo cooling feature was an absolute, undisputed lifesaver. Whenever I accidentally burned something or foolishly let the kitchen get far too hot before turning the unit on, hitting the turbo button felt exactly like summoning an instant, powerful Arctic breeze. Furthermore, this system is a true year-round investment because it also features a highly efficient integrated heat pump. During the freezing winter months, I actually used it to comfortably warm up my chilly kitchen floors before I even started brewing my morning coffee, making it incredibly versatile. While it undeniably requires professional installation to maintain the warranty, The long-term value, massive energy savings, and sheer daily comfort it provides are completely unmatched by anything else currently on the market.